Hello everyone, this is Business Plus. I quickly want to show you something. Here. Um, I think we should just check for a breakout on the 1000 index, and this is H4 time frame, guys. So
Daddy, buy a play for us.
yes, I'll buy a play for you.
I do buy a play.
Yeah, I'll buy a play for you. Don't worry.
Buy a play.
That's my kids. So we're just gonna look for the breakout. Yeah. Okay. You see. So all we're looking at for now is to check if to check if it will break to the top, right, and or it should break down. So that's what we should be looking at for now. So thank you. This is Business Plus.